guys, I know it's been a while since I posted a video, and by a while I mean about 2 years, maybe 2 years and a half. But anyways, today I'm going to be filming something different for you guys, and that's going to be a what I eat in a day video for weight loss. So if you're interested in seeing the 5 meals that I eat in a day to lose weight, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is my go-to breakfast. So I will have 2 slices of turkey bacon. The macros on here are amazing. So per 2 slices, you only have 70 calories, 6 grams of fat, 1 gram of carbs, and 4 grams of protein. So that's pretty good, and that's for 2 slices, which is exactly what I am cooking. And then I will have 1 medium egg with a ½ cup of egg whites. So here we have it. This is my breakfast. So nothing too fancy, but it is healthy and filling. I don't know the exact macros on this breakfast, but I can link them down below for you guys. So yeah, like I mentioned, this is a very filling breakfast for me. So this is also my pre-workout meal. So I'm gonna eat this and then get ready really quickly and head over to the gym. And then I will talk to you guys later for my post-workout meal. So I just got back from the gym, had a killer workout. I started my workout with 20 minutes on the stairs, then I did some shoulders. I did lots of supersets to keep my heart rate up, and then I ended my workout with 10 minutes on the bike, which I never do. Like, I never use a bike. It's always stairs or treadmill, but I'd say 80% of the time I do stairs. So I like to switch it up a little bit sometimes. So I was there for about an hour. It was a really good workout, and yeah, I'm just waiting for my post-workout meal to cook, and I will show you guys what I'm having. So here is meal number 2, which is also my lunch and also my post-workout meal. So in here I have a 1/4 cup of white jasmine rice and 3.5 ounces of extra lean ground beef, and then I just added a little bit of VH soya sauce. I don't like to add too much just because it is high in sodium, so I just add a few drops and it just gives an amazing taste. And then of course I have my Coke Zero. I used to hate Diet Pop, but this actually tastes amazing. I swear it's a lifesaver. And then as mentioned earlier, I have my CLA, and then I'm gonna sip on a little bit of water. So yeah, that is my post-workout meal. You always want to make sure that you fuel your body after you work out, preferably within 30 to 60 minutes at the most after you work out. And then I personally prefer having a variety. So in this meal I have my carbs in my rice, and then I have protein and fats in the ground beef. So I am gonna eat this and then I will talk to you guys later. Okay, it's time for meal number 3. It's now 3:45 in the afternoon, and this is one of my favorite meals of the day. So here we have 2 original rice cakes topped off with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter on each. I usually do prefer the Jif's peanut butter, but the Kraft one was on sale, buy one get one free, so obviously I bought that one. And then I'm gonna have a protein shake. So this is the Yummy Sports ISO, and it's the flavored coffee crisp. And oh my god, guys, if you haven't tried this, I swear this is the best tasting protein, hands down. It tastes really good even just with water. It tastes really good in oats or in protein pancakes. Like, this is just, I am blown away by this protein powder. So I'm just gonna mix it with water in here. Amelia is still napping, so I am just taking a few minutes to myself to sit down and enjoy a protein shake. And then when she wakes up, I'm just going to get her ready and we're going to head out to Canadian Tire. I want to buy a barbecue. I'm not going to buy a big fancy one. I just want to get those small portable ones. That way if we go out camping or if we go for a picnic, then we can just bring it and it's just super convenient. So yeah, I am super excited about that. I am so tired of eating chicken cooked in the oven. Like, honestly, I'm over it. barbecue chicken is just so much better. So yeah, I'm just waiting for her to wake up, and then we're gonna head out and run a few errands. It's finally time for my protein pancakes. So I'm gonna show you all of the ingredients, and then I will take you along actually making them, so that way you guys can see all of the measurements and stuff. So here I have, of course, Yummy Sports protein powder, but this one is in white chocolate. This one is probably my favorite one for protein pancakes. And then we have some coconut oil just for our pan. And then I like to use the Walden Farms pancake syrup. This has 0 calories, 0 sugar, so this is great. And then I have some unsweetened coconut flakes. Then we have plain fat-free Greek yogurt, egg whites, a medium egg, baking powder, some quick oats, and of course some Splenda just to make it a little bit sweeter. So there's quite a few ingredients in here, but it's super easy to make. So yeah, let's go ahead and make those pancakes. Okay, so I have my blender here. Any blender will do really. So I like to start with my quick oats. And we are going to use a 1/3 cup of oats. So I'm just going to throw that in the blender. After the oats, I like to add a scoop of my protein powder. So we're just going to add 1 full scoop. Then I'm going to add some unsweetened coconut flakes. I don't really measure this, but I'd say it's about 1 to 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to go with the Splenda. Splenda, I use 1 full tablespoon. Then for baking powder, I just use the tiniest amount. I don't measure it, but I would probably say this is a teaspoon or so. Okay, now let's go with our wet ingredients. I put the dry ingredients first, then I go with the wet ingredients on top. So I'm just going to crack an egg. This is a medium egg, by the way. And then we're going to use egg whites. For the egg whites, it's going to be a 1/4 cup. And then last but not least, we're going to add our Greek yogurt. For the Greek yogurt, I like to use roughly about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half. And the Greek yogurt just adds a really nice texture to the protein pancakes, because protein pancakes do tend to get a little bit dry. But the Greek yogurt is a little trick that I like to use, and it just adds more texture to the pancakes. So here it is, 2 fairly large pancakes. Then I'm just going to add my Walden Farms pancake syrup, and I am going to enjoy these. These are delicious. You can't even tell they're protein pancakes, to be honest. So if you want to give it a try, just follow the recipe and let me know how you like them. Hey guys, so it's 10:45 and I'm finally just sitting down to enjoy my last meal. It's been a crazy night, and Amelia is finally asleep, so that's why I'm talking solo. So I'm going to show you guys what my last meal is, and then I'm going to close this video. So I hope that you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will chat with you guys soon. Okay, so here we have 3.5 ounces of barbecue chicken with a 3/4 cup of corn, And then of course I have my mini Diet Coke here, and I was actually just working on this video on the footage that I got today. So hopefully this will be up by tomorrow. And yeah, I am so pooped out right now. It's almost 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna eat this and go straight to bed.